Okay, we're going to be doing several together. We're going to do this Escada, and then there's one right around the corner as well we're going to get into as well. And kind of show you this little slice of Macau. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. The other one is going to be right on that corner. So we're going to do these three. Kind of cool building, and it's actually like a Boa Vida. Looks like a bar or restaurant or something like that. So stay tuned. Let's put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so I guess the first thing we're going to do is go up Escada do Muro, and it's just simply a stairs. So this one is relatively simple. Just walk up. Looks like it's a private into this one, so maybe the people that live here and here, or maybe even back up there. I think that's Camoish Park up that way. So it's kind of interesting just to kind of document. Even a garden, so sometimes these spaces, it's kind of a cool space actually. The fact that they have that space like that. Ah, okay, so we actually have another one I want to cover too. There's Muro, Caracol, and then Lavra, and then that one over there. So there's actually 4. So let's go up here, take a look. This one's called Boa Vida. You got a beautiful shrine right here as well. And let me see. Kind of curious about this one. Billiards, coffee. I don't know if I should say. They have a really nice space right there. I might ask them in a minute. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Let me ask. I'm just kind of curious. Boa Vida. Let me see. Hello. Is this a bar? It's a bar or a restaurant?
Huh?
It's a bar? Like a restaurant?
No.
Oh. Coffee shop?
Coffee shop?
Oh, here. We got beer. Okay. Just curious. Ah. So I'm just looking around, so. Thank you. They got downstairs as well, so. So I'm not sure exactly what it is, but they did have beer menu, so so it does look like an interesting place. I kind of hate to bother them a little bit, but anyways, that's on Caracol. Just to give you some background of where we're at, I believe this one is Patane. You can see it the map. That goes. The Camoish Park is all right behind us up on the hill, so these are all aligned with that. Huh. There's Portuguese flags right here. Let me just see what that is. They're going to come back and connect to the other 2 streets as well. Let me just kind of... And then this Patane Street goes all the way to Camoish Park. Let's see what this is. I just want to kind of get a good idea. So Camoish is up that way, directly that way. Let me just see what's around in here. Huh, okay. And that kind of ends. You can hear all the birds. Can you hear that? That beautiful tree. So all of these just kind of go right up against it, including that one. That's interesting. There's probably something here because there's no windows here at all. So they must have tore something down here. An older building, I guess. And you can see maybe another older building there because that has kind of something similar. Okay, so anyways, this is like about, that might be a 5th Street. I'm gonna look it up on the map later, see what that one is. But kind of interesting. And then this street here is Beco de Lavra. So that's another street, and I guess it's basically just a parking lot in there. Huh. And yeah, Camoish Park is right up that way. Look at that one. They kind of have like a rooftop up there. So yeah, kind of interesting. So I don't know the name of this neighborhood, but Palmeira is part of Patani, historical Patani village. Okay, that's that. That's so cool. There's a rock and then a bar. You wouldn't even know that's right there. Okay, so then our this is the street that we're on. It's Patani, so everything's centered around Patani. Okay, so let me take a look here. And this one is Lage. And this one, let me see, there's a coffee shop right in the corner. That's kind of interesting building right there. I heard a lot of prices in Macau are going down for everything, so it kind of makes me curious about something like this. Okay, that goes, there's like, that door's open, so I'm not gonna get too close. We got tables and such. Okay. And then here's this little Pedra street, which is all part of Patani. There's a lot of kind of interesting stuff in here. And then we're gonna take a look. So that one's a little Beco right there, Beco de Lage, and I think it just goes to, just go all the way to this gate here, and we'll just see. Then this steps looks like it goes maybe to the backside, and maybe some of these will go up to Camoish as well. I think this connects, so I think this little Beco used to go all the way around, and then they put gates, so I guess maybe some private residence in that spot. So it should be a public street, but anyways, that's kind of where we're at. We're Pedro, Rua de Pedra meets Patani Street. And we're just gonna go around the corner a little bit. This temple right there. Yeah, you know, this temple, I think they're playing like mahjong and different things. I can hear the things that are kind of clicking. Okay, so anyways, that's an interesting little corner. There's lots of interesting stuff all around in here. We could probably meander in any one of these directions. They'd all be interesting. Big giant tall buildings. This is the other street that we're at. Alfinete. And I think I'm gonna be coming to an end. Let me just walk into this a little bit. It's kind of interesting as well because there's all these little interesting stuff everywhere. That's a dead-end alley. So we're just gonna end it right here, I guess. And then this building right here, 1968 with a big star. So I guess it's I guess that's about the time period this was all built in here. And that's also Pedra. So our little corner would have been this corner right here, on this corner, and then those several streets down that way as well. So that's another slice of Macau.